Hello friends, myself Sanjay Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor, Jagannath Institute of Education, JIMS GEMTech, Greater Noida. My topic is meaning types of differently abled students. Meaning of differently abled students. An illness, injury, or medical condition that makes it difficult for someone to do the thing that other people do. Or, in other words, we can say that a disability is a permanent injury, illness, or physical or mental condition that tends to restrict the way that someone can live their life. The Constitution of India ensures equality, freedom, justice, and dignity of all individuals and implicitly mandate an inclusive society for all including the persons with disabilities. As per the provision of Persons with Disability Act 1995 covers seven categories of disabilities have been identified like blindness, low vision, leprosy cured, hearing impairment, locomotor disability, mental retardation, and mental illness. Persons falling under the above categories with a maximum of or the minimum of 40% disability are eligible for entitlement of all benefits provided by the government. As per the 11th plan, persons with disabilities could be as high as 5 to 6% of India's total population. This substantial portion of our population needs equal services and opportunities for their overall development, which is also an essential attribute for inclusive growth. Hence, while recognizing the differently abled people as a valuable human resource to our country, the government has had been taking various initiatives to bring them at par with the mainstream. Types of differently abled are these are blindness नेत्रहीन और दृष्टिहीन लो विजन कम दृष्टि होना या कम दिखना लेप्रेसी क्योर्ड कुष्ठ रोग हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट श्रवण दुर्बलता सुनने की परेशानी या कमी होना लोकोमोटर्स डिसेबिलिटी हड्डियों जोड़ों मांसपेशियों की अक्षमता रीढ़ रीढ़ की हड्डी की चोट विच्छेदन सिर में चोट लगना फ्रैक्चर आदि हो सकते हैं मेंटल इलनेस autism, repetitive, ritualistic behavior, attention deficit and hyperactive disorder, hyperactivity, distractibility and impulsivity, mentally retarded. These are the types of differently abled persons or students. Thank you very much. With this lecture, you will be able to understand the concept, the meaning, or types of differently abled students. Thank you.